Right, so this is my new toy, all packaged up. I thought I would do a little unboxing of it. Now, I'm not doing this the easiest way. I'm using a very flexible razor blade. That's probably going to cut my finger. Awesome. But this is the same welder as Ben uses and has used for the past probably 3 years now, with next to no maintenance. And it has served him perfectly. It's never broken down, it's never stopped working, it's just kept going and going regardless. So if I can find some scissors, you'd have thought I'd have had them beforehand. I'll just cut these straps. Let's flip up. Right, there she is. Comes with a no, this I actually forgot about. Basically comes with an adapter, so you'd wire a plug into this and turn it into, you know, high current 3-phase plug, I guess that is. I don't know industrial stuff, but basically you're looking at a commercial grade welder for sort of domestic welder prices. So let's get it out of the box and watch me break my back whilst doing that. Get the leads out first. So also what I should say is this is also an MMA. So there's your electrode clamp. I do already have an MMA welder, but you know, this is just an all-round better machine. It comes with a proper Euro torch and a spare tip. I think there's more than a spare tip in there actually. Yeah, there's a spare tip and a spare. Forgotten what that's called because I'm an idiot and I'm not slept well and I'm still ill. But yeah. So Euro torch, that's the main reason I wanted this welder, because I want to be able to change the torch if I need to. Can't remember the brand of torch that Ben uses. All I know is it's a Binzel thing. So that's the ground clamp. Nice stout ground clamp. I do need to make one of my first projects with this is probably going to be making a welding table, because I don't have one, obviously. So yeah, I mean, what's that? Oh, does it have one of those silly masks? I bet it has one of those silly masks, and that's what that's off. Right, so let's try and get this out. Oh Jesus. Right. So we've got a hidden in there, a little hammer for knocking the, I guess you call it slag off the weld when using it in MMA. You get a put me up clown mask that's not really gonna do much, but that's a nice gesture. I wouldn't bother. The lens is in the instruction bag. Alright, I can bury someone in that later. So this is a welder. It's a Blackline MIG 200, I believe. So it's the 200 amp version. There is a 250 amp version. I was torn between them both, but to be honest, I'm very lucky to even have this one, because Carrie, my beautiful fiance, bought it me, because she knows I can't really buy anything at the minute. Things are just that tight. So she's really kindly bought me this. So I thought I'd go for the cheaper version to save her a bit of money. Talk about lucky to have her. Let's say she is too good for me. I don't deserve her, but she's done great. So let me turn this around. Oh, man. It's not as heavy as I make it sound, but yeah. So once the camera focuses, which it has done, so you've got, give me a second, so that's your speed, so that's your wire feed, that's your voltage, and that's your ampage for MMA. You've got a little switch here, switch from currently on MIG, switch it over, that's MMA. You've got display here, so you've got your amps, you've got your volts, and then down the bottom here you've got, let me drop the camera down a bit for this, right, so we're a bit lower now. So you've got your Euro torch fitting here, and your earth clamp, and your MMA positive thing. My brain's gone dead. But yeah, anyway, MMA, ground clamp, Euro torch. And Ben, like I say, Ben's used this welder for about 3 years, and it has never let him down. It's been a great piece of kit from start to where we are now. It's never let him down. Christ, he uses it on pretty much a commercial level. It's pretty much picked up every day. So in here is where your wire goes. When I can get it open, it's just got a little thing here to stop it. There we go. Right, don't know how that had ended up on the wrong side, but there we go. Your spool goes on here, that's your wire feed there. The wire feed's pretty good on these. It doesn't tend to cock up that much, to put it bluntly. Again, works really well. I've not got a bad thing to say about these welders for the price. This was 200 quid, so 200 GBP from, I think it was Rally Designs on eBay. Yeah, Rally Design Limited. And it was what was it in total? £253.38. For this kind of quality, that is a great price. I've got Ben sorting out a gas bottle for me, so let's turn it round to the back. So obviously on off switch, it's got a 230 volt output, but this is your gas inlet. So nice beefy 8mm hose tail, I think it is. Ben's already got me a line made up that will convert this to quick release airline, so I'll be able to use any airline on it. So if I need an extension, because for now the gas bottle is going to be in the garage, I'm not going to be welding in the garage because there's no room, and basically I'm going to be welding outside when I use this for now, until I've cleared out the garage and got more room. So I may need to get a little extension line for that. But yeah, that's just a quick unboxing. Let's get back to me. So having this is going to make a big difference to what I can do. I'm not going to have to rely on Ben so much to be able to do stuff for me. I've needed my own welder for a long time, and I can weld. Okay, I can stick two pieces of metal together. Anyone can stick two pieces of metal together, but whether anyone can weld is a different question. So basically, to start with, I'm going to be practicing a bit. Okay. Like I say, Ben's bringing me a 10 litre gas bottle over, Argon 5. And I will get to practicing, get a bit better, and then most of the projects on the channel I will now be doing the fabricating for, unless I need some TIGging doing, because I've tried TIGging. I definitely can't do that right now. In fact, I should have filmed me doing the TIGging, because all of you would have been rolling around on the floor laughing. So again, if you want a good welder, hit up Blackline Tools. No, this is not a sponsor. I've paid for this. It's a great welder. Honestly, it is just a good welder. Like I say, with little maintenance, we've never had a problem. So yeah, that'll do it for this video. It's just a quick one, showing you the new toy, and hopefully this will mean some progress on the channel with more interesting things. And I needed this to be able to do the blow-off valve experiments and sort out my exhaust, because I'm still driving around with no muffler. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I'm going to sort that out. That'll probably be one of the first jobs, other than attempting a welding table at some point. But yeah, if this has been useful to you, I'm explaining a bit about the Blackline MiG200, certainly recommend it to anyone. If you're in the UK, if you want a good hobby welder that is technically commercial grade, it seems to be, but it's classed as a hobby welder, I believe, this will do the job. It's great. It's a great mid-range welder. So yeah, if you found it useful, like and subscribe. Appreciate that. And for those of you that stick with the channel, enjoy what's to come. See you in the next one.